Hey, just a quick update on the Victor glider. She's pretty much ready to go now. All the wings been covered. This was my very first attempt at covering, and I also used a normal clothes iron as well. So pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the way the ailerons come out. I've hinged the ailerons with hinge tape. She's pretty compact inside at the moment. Needs a little bit of a tidy up. Aileron servos are installed. Got some Metal Gear ones in there. I've completely replaced the elevator and rudder servo inside as well, because I didn't trust the ones that were in there. All I've got to do to the underside of the wings now is just put the servo covers on there. I just need to check to make sure that the servo horn's not going to clash with them. So we got ailerons, elevator, rudder, everything works. All I've got to do now is just set the CG, and she will be ready to fly. Fuselage needs a paint job and perhaps another quick face fill. I've managed to fill all of the cracks and got them pretty smooth. You can still see them there. Like I say, once they've had another fill and been rubbed down, I'll give the fuzzer a paint, match it all in, and decide what sort of trim I'm going to do on the wings. Well, there you go guys. Hopefully the next video will be the maiden. Thanks for watching.